Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So the episode we got this cool ones right here, and basically what these are some whitening strips. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and this is the level 18 whitener. So for this package right here, they provide you guys 40 strips, which adds up the total of 20 treatment. So when you guys use the product, if you guys use it for like 20 treatment, it definitely whitens up your teeth over time. But there are some things to kind of consider when you guys do use it, especially for people who have sensitive teeth. So if you see on the side right here, they do provide you guys some safety tips on here in terms of whether or not you guys have sensitive teeth. When you see the back right here, they do provide you guys instructions to teach you guys how to use it. So it's actually very simple and very easy to actually use it. You just want to use it once per day for around like 45 minutes. And they do mention that right before you guys apply it on, you don't want to brush your teeth. But this is what the package looks like on the outside. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So like I mentioned, they provide guys 20 treatments inside, but 40 strips. So let's take it out. So once you guys take it out, this is what the package looks like inside. So like I mentioned, they provide guys 20 of these. And for each one of these right here, they provide guys 2 different strips inside. One for upper and one for lower teeth. So this is what the package looks like inside. So let me actually go test one of these out to see how it works and when it actually works first. And we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product. Let's test it out and see how it works. So first thing I'm gonna do is open it up. And you guys want to take it out. So let's do one at a time. We'll do the top one first. So once you guys peel it out, you guys want to peel that layer inside. So just like this. So once you guys peel it out, you guys want to stick it onto your teeth. So just like that. And you guys want to do the same thing to the bottom part. Alright, so here's the bottom part. So leave it in there for 45 minutes and come back and check on it.
2 hours later.
Alright, so over 45 minutes, let's take it off. So once you guys take it off, you guys can definitely feel the effect that's on here. And you guys want to repeat the same step until you guys use all of it. But each time you guys use it, you guys want to use it for 45 minutes. And for each one of these kits, you guys want to use a maximum of 2 kits per year. No more than 2 kits. But you do have the option to brush your teeth beforehand, but just not immediately right before. You probably want to brush your teeth like an hour or 2 hours before you guys actually use it. But if you see that is how you guys use the product, you guys won't see the result immediately. Over time, you guys probably will see the result. Alright, welcome back guys. So next topic, test the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So you see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. It was actually really easy. But that is everything that's on the product here. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.